Welcome back to this course on ethical hacking. In this session, we will focus on one of the most critical steps in your ethical hacking journey, setting up a dedicated hacking lab. This lab will serve as a safe, controlled environment where you can practice your skill legally and ethically. In our next slide, we will discuss how to set up the key component of your hacking lab. Setting a hacking lab to effectively learn and apply ethical hacking techniques, it's essential to create a hacking lab. This lab will be your testing ground, ensuring that you have an isolated environment where you can explore vulnerabilities, test tools, and refine your techniques without affecting live systems. Next, let's dive into the specific component you have need to set up your hacking lab. The lab component. So, what do you need for your lab? Here is a quick overview of main component: a hacking machine. This will be your primary tool for conducting pen test. A target machine. This is the system you will practice hacking on. A website to hack. You can set up vulnerable web application to test web-based attacks. Networks. You can simulate different network environments to practice network security attacks on defenses. Up next, we will explore how virtual machines play a key role in setting up a hacking lab. Virtual machines. One of the best way to set up your hacking lab is by using virtual machines or VMs. Virtual machines allow single physical computer to run multiple operating systems simultaneously. This means you can simulate different operating systems like Windows or Linux or etc. Next, we will look at the key benefit of using virtual machine. Benefits of virtualizations. Let's look at some of the key benefits of virtualization for ethical hacking. You can install multiple operating systems on your current machine, reducing hardware cost. Each virtual machine has its own resources and behave like a real machine, making it perfect for realistic testing. If something goes wrong, fixing or resetting the VM is quick and easy. And most important, VMs are isolated from the host system. This means that if any vulnerability are exploiting during testing, your main system remains secure. Before we move on the Kali Linux, let's make sure you have the right virtualization software. One of the most popular options for running virtual machine is VMware. Let's walk through how to download and install VMware on your system. First, go to the official website, VMware website, and go to the product section and scroll down and see desktop hypervisor and click on desktop hypervisor and scroll down and download for PC. And after downloading, once you have set up the virtual machine, we will discuss on how to install and configure the Kali Linux for into your hacking. In this lesson, we will walk through the process of installing Kali Linux from jetsecurity.org. Kali Linux is a powerful operating system specially designed for ethical hackers. And by the end of this video, you will have it fully set up system. Let's get started by downloading Kali Linux. There are additional tools in customized Kali Linux downloaded from this website, which we will see later in course. You can install Kali Linux file by clicking link 1, link 2 or torrent etc. Now click on download button. The downloading process is getting started. After the downloading completed, after the Kali Linux is installed, unzip and extract it to a specific folder. Open VMware, open virtual machine, locate the file where you extract the zip and power on the virtual machine. And wait for the process and loading. It takes some time. When it's done, enter username, root, and password TOR tools. You can see the homepage of Kali Linux desktop, and here is the UI of the Kali Linux. You can change configuration of device according to your system requirements. You can change RAM, memory, processor, hard disk, etc. You can set according to your system requirement and system supports. You can set up to processor, hard disk size.